Alaska to places few men dare. I watched the wolf pack hunting prey, howling in the night, the first time that I saw the northern lights. I climbed the frozen mountainside and trekked the glacier view. I panned for gold in icy streams, for riches still concealed. And then I saw the Arctic sky transform before my sight, phenomenon they call the northern lights. In the summer it's the land of midnight sun. Rivers flow and flowers come to bloom. But in winter, darkness of the polar lands, the northern lights burn cold beside the moon. I wondered if I'd always feel the way I do today. I thought about my former life and knew that I would stay. Aurora borealis glows with colors strange and bright when I look up to see the northern